you will enjoy every moment of your life, if it is a pleasure or pressure. Respected Principal Anthony Sir, Shiny Man, teachers and all my dear friends, a hearty good morning to one and all. Today, we the students of grade 5 are conducting the assembly and along with it, we will celebrate the festival Onam.
Every occasion should be started with the grace of God Almighty. So I invite Peter Anthony for the prayer.
All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, He made the glowing colors, He made the tiny wings. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. The purple-headed mountains, the river running by, the sunset on the morning, the brightness of the sky. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all.
Thank you, Peter. Now I invite Ascot Santosh to administer the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat full everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Alcohol is bad for us. Smoking is bad for us. We will not smoke on day. Thank you. The Green Pledge. I believe that change begins in me. I always take a close attack when not in use. I always switch off the appliances when not in use. I always segregate dry and wet waste in my house. I always plant trees on birthdays and special occasions. I always share green living tips with others. Thank you.
Thank you, Ascot. At the present, we are under the threat of COVID-19 pandemic. But with the help of online learning and digital platform, everybody can learn.
Onam is the most popular Arab festival and is celebrated with bliss and eagerness by Malayali community in and outside Kerala. Now I invite Nora Sakria for Onam speech.
Good morning to you all. Today I would like to talk about my favorite festival, Onam. Onam is the harvest festival celebrated especially in Kerala. During the month of August or September, the celebration lasts for 10 days. The legend says that Mahabali, the great king who once ruled the world, visited his people during these days every year to take a talk about his kingdom. This boon was given to him by Vamana, who sent to the Padala due to the influence of Devas. The first day of Onam is called Attam. During this day, we decorate our home with flowers. Arranged in circular shape is called Pookalam. Children wake up early and pluck flowers from the adjacent places to make Pookalam. During the next 9 days, Pookalam made in variety shapes and sizes, arranged in home courtyard. The final day of Onam is called Thiruvonam. The day marks family get-togethers, gift exchange and traditional feasts. Thank you all.
Thank you, Nora. Being a Malayali, we would love to hear a speech in Malayalam which makes us happy and feel proud. Now I invite Adit S. Kuishamutil for honor speech.
മാന്യ സദസ്സിന് നമസ്കാരം. സന്തോഷവും ഐശ്വര്യം നിറഞ്ഞ ഓണക്കാലത്തിന്റെ സ്മരണ പുതുക്കി വീണ്ടും ഒരു പൊന്നോണം വന്നെത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നു. ഓണം എന്നും നമ്മുടെ മനസ്സിലേക്ക് ഓടിയെത്തുന്ന മധുരം നിറഞ്ഞ ഒരു അനുഭവമാണ്. അതിന്റെ മാസ്മരികത വർണ്ണിക്കാൻ എളുപ്പമല്ല. ലോകത്തിന്റെ നാനാം ഭാഗത്തുള്ള മലയാളികൾ ജാതിമത ഭേദമന്യേ ഈ ഉത്സവം ആഘോഷിക്കുന്നു. ഒന്നിലധികം ഐതിഹ്യമുള്ള ഒരു ആഘോഷമാണ് ഓണം. കഥകൾ ഏതൊക്കെയായാലും കേരള ജനതയെ ഒന്നാക്കി മാറ്റുന്ന ഒരു വികാരവും കൂടിയാണ് ഓണം. അത്തം പത്തോണം എന്നൊരു ചൊല്ലി തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ മലയാളിയിൽ ഉണ്ട്. ചിങ്ങമാസത്തിലെ അത്തം നാൾ മുതൽ 10 ദിവസം വരെ മാവേലി തമ്പുരാനെ പൂക്കളം ഒരുക്കി സ്വീകരിക്കുന്നു. ലോകമെമ്പാടുമുള്ള മലയാളികൾ ഒത്തുകൂടുന്ന സുദിനം കൂടിയാണ് ഓണം. ചതിയും കള്ളവും ഇല്ലാത്ത, രോഗങ്ങളും ആകുലതകളും ഇല്ലാത്ത സമ്പൽ സമൃദ്ധിയുടെയും ഒരു നല്ല നാളേക്ക് വേണ്ടി നമുക്ക് ക്ഷമയോടെ കാത്തിരിക്കാം. നമ്മുടെ പ്രിൻസിപ്പാളായ ആന്റണി സാറിനും അധ്യാപകർക്കും അനധ്യാപകർക്കും എന്റെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും സർവ്വ ഐശ്വര്യത്തിന്റെയും ഒരു ഓണം ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Thank you, Adit.
We all know that Onam is celebrated to commemorate King Mahabali, whose spirit is said to visit Kerala at the time of Onam. Now let's hear the story behind the celebration of Onam by Tess Teresa Abbu.
Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, wishing you all a happy Onam. I am here to talk about Onam, the harvest festival of Kerala. Onam festival falls during the Malayalam month of Chinga. It marks the homecoming of legendary King Mahabali to his kingdom. Despite being a Asura king, the kindness and good deeds of the king made him very popular. This was not liked by the Lord. So the Lord sent Vishnu Bhagavan as Vamana avatar to earth. Vamana, a small Brahmin boy, asked Mahabali for 3 steps of land. Mahabali, being very generous, granted him the wish. Vamana suddenly grew in size until he towered the heaven. With the first step, he covered the earth. With the second step, he covered the heaven. There was no place to take the third step. So Lord Mahabali asked Vamana to step upon his head. Before he went into Padala, Mahabali asked Vamana to grant him a wish, to visit his kingdom every year. This is the visit of Mahabali to his kingdom, is celebrated as Onam. We welcome him with various pookalam in front of our house. Wishing you all a happy Onam again. Thank you.
Thank you, Tess.
I conclude this assembly with the national anthem.